Okay, we have this expired Gatorade 2 years ago. 3 years ago, we're gonna make our own Gatorade. You know, when you exercise, and we have already water in here. Just maybe 2 scoops. Pour in here. This is I like the container. And we pour it. Because that's what you want to see. This was I want to try that balloon. And we pour in this container. I got my favorite president. It's Trump. Almost got. And then we keep mixing it. And when we exercise, we will drink this. Okay. Now we make it cold. So this is the Power 8. I like the container really. And this is 510. Now, from the Gatorade, comes it droppy, I put it in the ice back. Okay, so we will take this. And now I'll be showing you later. Also, this one is expired, rich chocolate flavor. You're gonna be you can be making a lot with this. See, it expires in September. It's still good. Chocolate flavor. Get it.